In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy QQQ on ETrade. By the end, you'll feel confident placing your order from start to finish. First, make sure you're logged in securely to your ETrade account. Once you're in, head to your main account page so you can access the trading tools. You'll see a search bar at the top of the platform. This is where you'll look up the fund. Type QQQ into the search bar. QQQ is the symbol for the Invesco QQQ Trust, an exchange-traded fund that tracks many of the largest non-financial companies listed on the Nasdaq. When the search results appear, confirm you've got the right listing by checking that the name matches the Invesco QQQ Trust. This helps avoid costly mistakes with similar-looking tickers. Next, open the trade ticket from the QQQ page. You'll usually see a button that takes you directly to trading. Choose the buy action so you're preparing to purchase shares rather than sell them. Now it's time to enter your order details. Start with quantity, which is how many shares you want to purchase. Consider the current price shown on the quote and multiply by your desired number of shares to estimate your total cost, keeping some cash buffer in your account to prevent a rejection. Choose your order type. A market order will buy instantly at the best available current price. It's fast, but the final price may be slightly different from what you see on screen, especially in a fast-moving market. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay, which gives you price control and is generally recommended for precision. If you use a limit order, enter a limit price you're comfortable with based on the live quote. Remember, the order will only fill at your price or better. Before you submit, review everything carefully. Click Preview to see a summary of the trade. The symbol, QQQ, the action buy, your share quantity, the order type, any limit price you set, and the estimated total cost, including any applicable fees or taxes. Double-check that nothing looks off. This is your chance to catch typos, wrong quantities, or an unintended order type. When everything looks correct, click Place Order to submit it. You should see a confirmation that the order was received. If you placed a market order during regular hours, it often fills quickly. If you used a limit order, it will fill when the market reaches your price. You can monitor the status on your orders or activity page and verify once it's filled in your positions. That's it. Your QQQ purchase on ETrade is complete.